On today's menu, a recipe that's an absolute favorite of mine. This is my umami-packed ultimate tofu crumble. Lei Ho Man, as it's going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. Alright, over 600 episodes here on YouTube. I think this is my favorite way of cooking tofu. It's versatile and the flavor and texture is absolutely extraordinary. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. When I make this tofu crumble, I like to make quite a bit so that it's ready to go throughout the week. Pat dry the tofu with a paper towel. I'm using 3 blocks, 350 grams each. Try to look for extra firm tofu that doesn't have a lot of water in it. If you can't find extra firm tofu like this, that should still be okay, you just have to cook it longer. Set the tofu aside, we're going to use the blender to make some flavoring. Quarter cup salt, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon gochugaru, also known as Korean pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. I'm using a peppercorn mix, that's just what I have on hand. White pepper is so flavorful just by itself. It will add some heat as well as this incredible aroma. 2 teaspoons white pepper powder. These are dry shiitake mushrooms. They are literally like umami bombs. They are so concentrated with extraordinary earthy umami. About 20 grams of dry shiitake mushrooms. This is Japanese kombu, known as the king of seaweed. It's a really thick and robust seaweed that has also extraordinary umami. About 3 grams of kombu. This seasoning mix has all the umami goodness you can ever ask for. Blend on high until all the ingredients turn into powder. Keep this umami powder in an airtight container. There's plenty to use in future recipes. It's made with just all dry ingredients, so it should last quite a long time. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you're interested to learning more about the For Young Men Cooking cookbooks or to pick up your print or digital copy, you can check out that link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmencooking.com. As always, thank you so much for supporting the cooking show. Preheat the oven to 400. Use a fork or your hands to crumble that tofu into a large mixing bowl. This recipe I'd say makes about 6 to 7 cups worth of tofu crumble. You can multiply the recipe to make more if you like, and freeze in portions to enjoy in future meals. I really love cooking tofu this way, and it really shows the versatility of tofu, which in Asian cuisine, tofu is not really seen as a meat alternative. In fact, you have popular dishes like the mapo tofu, which traditionally has meat and tofu in the same dish, which is very seldom in Western cuisine. Add in about 4 teaspoons of that delicious umami powder. Three teaspoons of soy sauce, about 2.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons chili oil. This is a smoky, spicy chili oil made from a past episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make it really easily at home. Mix well to combine all those delicious flavors. Transfer the tofu crumble onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Take some time to spread the tofu out into a single layer so that it cooks evenly. If you're multiplying this recipe to make more, you'll need to use 2 trays and longer cook time. Bake in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Right out of the oven, the tofu crumble may tend to stick together. Simply use a spatula to separate it. Once the tofu crumble has cooled, transfer it into a container to enjoy throughout the week. Me personally, I can enjoy an entire bowl of this by itself. It's that good. You can now make this ultimate tofu crumble with absolute confidence. This looks and smells really, really good. That is truly just delicious. The tofu has that really nice, robust texture, but the part I love best is actually that crispiness. That is really just sensational. This is really savory and has that beautiful salty umami. There's a little spiciness, a little smokiness, and a really delightful aroma. The dry shiitake mushrooms and that kombu really provide that deep depth of umami. Taco night, so easy. Vermicelli bowl night in a flash. You can top your soups with this, make lettuce cups, make your next mapo tofu with this. The options really are endless. This is one of those easy, simple, uncomplicated recipes you can definitely make on repeat. I can definitely sit down and just eat this entire bowl. It's that delicious and addictive. And of course, if you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or to pick up your copy of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed to our email newsletter, that is the best way to stay notified so that we can cook together again in the next episode.